Hello, I got some happy mail from J&J Sticker Co. It is my PR kit for this month. So we'll open it up and see what I got. And I know right now she's got a big sale going on. 50% off your entire order. And the code is on my Instagram, so check there. But she is got it going on until she decides to cancel it. So this is J&J Sticker Co. So I'm not sure how long the sale will last, so you definitely want to take advantage of 50% off. So this is the Wait for Snow and the Race to the Castle kit. So let's go ahead and look through these. So this is the Wait for the Snow. So here is the deco sheet, the glitter headers, alright, I had stuff a little mixed up, and here are the full boxes for Wait for the Snow, your sidebar trackers, your tracking banners, and your days of the week. I love the soft pinks and blues. Here's your to-dos and quarter boxes. Here are the washi strips. And that is the Wait for Snow kit. Very pretty. And here is the Race to the Castle kit. So here is the deco sheet. And I hope you can tell by the ears which castle we're racing to. The glitter headers. The full boxes. Love the bright colors. Here's all your banners and your days of the weeks and your sidebar trackers. Your half boxes and your headers. And the washi strips. Love the roses. So there is the Race to the Castle kit. And again, 50% off. Don't want to miss out on that. And then here is the new monthly freebie. Got all kinds on there. And then she's going to be participating in the Guru box. And this is the sampler that will be included in that box. So that is everything on there. And again, she does have a 50% off sale right now. I will put the code below. If you want it a little bit sooner, because I know sometimes the videos post before I get everything added, check my Instagram, and that's at Vanessa76, because the sale may not be on long, but she has a 50% off for 1,000 followers. So congratulations, Annie. I'll talk to you later. Bye.